Let's explore what would happen if cytokinesis, the final stage of cell division, were skipped. 1. Normally, cytokinesis divides the cytoplasm and organelles of a single cell into two daughter cells, each with its own nucleus. If this crucial step is omitted, we'd end up with a single cell containing two identical nuclei, or even more, depending on how many rounds of mitosis occurred. 2. This multinucleated cell, often called a syncytium, would be significantly larger than a normal cell. 3. Its increased size would pose several problems. Firstly, the surface area to volume ratio would decrease dramatically. This means that the cell membrane would struggle to effectively exchange nutrients and waste products with its surroundings. The cell's interior wouldn't get enough oxygen or nutrients, and waste products would accumulate, potentially leading to cellular dysfunction and death. 4. The issue extends beyond simple resource limitations. The cell's internal organization would also be compromised. Organelles wouldn't be evenly distributed, and the larger volume would make it harder to transport materials efficiently within the cell. 5. This could result in an imbalance of cellular processes, disrupting vital functions. 6. The consequences depend heavily on the type of cell and the organism. In some cases, the multinucleated cell might function somewhat normally for a period. However, it's ultimately unstable. 7. The cell is more susceptible to damage and stress. In many instances, the cell would eventually become non-functional and die. 8. In some organisms, syncytia do naturally occur, notably in skeletal muscle cells, muscle fibers, and these cells have adaptations to cope with their multinucleate state. However, this is an exception, and such cells aren't formed by skipping cytokinesis. Rather, they arise from the fusion of many individual muscle cells. 9. For most cell types, skipping cytokinesis would be catastrophic, leading to cell dysfunction and ultimately, cell death. It highlights the importance of cytokinesis in maintaining proper cellular function and the orderly progression of cell division. 10. Ultimately, it's a process vital for the healthy functioning of multicellular organisms.